If you're looking for raised dogs beds, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel presents Raised Dogs Beds. Number 1, by Gale Pacific. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by K9 Ballistics. Number 3, by Can Manufacturing. For more details about these dogs beds products, just click this circle. Number 4, by GigaTent. Number 5, by Amazon Basics. Find these raised dogs beds at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7, by Pet Junkie. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Blessed Pet. Number 9, by Plow and Half. Discover more raised dogs beds ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by 2Pet.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.